Welcome to Speak English 90. Here you will learn English with fun and easy sentences. Speak and repeat with me. You're getting better every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep trying, you've got this. Every word you say brings you one step closer to fluency. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't stop now. My name is Hassan.
My name is Hassan.
I am happy.
I am happy.
She is my friend.
She is my friend.
He is tall.
He is tall.
This is a bus.
This is a bus.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
This is my book.
This is my book.
We are students.
We are students.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
That is a dog.
That is a dog.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
This is my house.
This is my house.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
He has a ball.
He has a ball.
She has a doll.
She has a doll.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
The cat is cute.
The cat is cute.
They are kind.
They are kind.
We play games.
We play games.
The tree is green.
The tree is green.
It is raining.
It is raining.
He is my brother.
He is my brother. It is a sunny day. I am a student. We are in school. They are my teachers. You are very kind. He is a doctor. They are in the park.
Great job today. Let's do a little more tomorrow. Keep practicing, keep improving, and never give up.
Thanks for watching Speak English 90. Subscribe our channel Speak English 90.